If you suspect that your Apple ID has been compromised due to suspicious activity, it's important to take immediate action to regain access and secure your account. Follow these steps to recover your Apple ID. Step 1. Visit the Apple ID account page. Go to the Apple ID account page at apple.apple.com. This is where you can manage your account and start the recovery process. Step 2. Click on Forgot Apple ID or Password. On the account page, click the link that says Forgot Apple ID or Password. This will guide you through the recovery options available for your account. Step 3. Enter your Apple ID. Input your Apple ID email address when prompted. If you're done to remember your Apple ID, you can click on the link to retrieve it using your personal information. Step 4. Follow the recovery instructions. Choose the method for receiving a verification code, such as via email or text message. Follow the instructions provided to verify your identity and reset your password. Step 5. Update security settings. Once you regain access, immediately update your password and review your security settings. Enable two-factor authentication if it is not already set up, and check for any unauthorized devices or changes to your account. By following these steps, you can regain access to your Apple ID and enhance its security to prevent future issues. Always stay vigilant and monitor your account for any unusual activity.